They told you to study hard, get good grades, and everything would fall into place. A good job, a peaceful life, and success. But they lied, not intentionally, but because they were told the same thing. They forgot to tell you that the real world doesn't care about your report card. They forgot to teach you how to deal with failure, how to get back up when life breaks you. They never mentioned how important discipline is, or how consistency beats talent. They didn't show you how to protect your mental peace, or how to fight loneliness, rejection, and self-doubt. They never taught you that money matters not for greed, but for freedom. That time is the most valuable thing you'll ever own, that your mindset will build or destroy your future. But here's the truth. You are responsible now to unlearn the lies, to rebuild yourself, to become what they never expected. This is your time, your truth, your second chance. So ask yourself, will you keep living the life they trained you for? Or will you start building the life you were born to create? They forgot to tell you this, but you know now. Don't waste it.